love it. Let's have fun in the kitchen. That's what it's all about. Ready? 3, go. I can juggle. Today our special guest is Nhelie.
Hi!
And we're cooking
Filipino Pan De Sal
with Qatar Flour Mills All-Purpose Flour. Okay, so great. Let's get started. What do we start first?
First is we have the warm milk. We'll just put it in here.
Okay.
And then we will add the yeast.
Add the yeast to the milk?
Yes.
Okay.
And a little of sugar.
And a little of the sugar?
Yes.
Okay.
And then we need to stir it properly.
We're going to stir it properly.
Yeah.
So let's stir that up and get all the lumps out.
Yeah. And then we'll set aside about 5 to 10 minutes to activate the yeast. The next one is we will add all the dry ingredients.
This is the Qatar Flour Mills
Yes,
number one all-purpose flour.
So what we're using is we're using this QFM because they have this 12.5 protein.
So there's 12.5 protein in the flour?
Yes.
And that's a very good thing for bakers?
Yes.
Okay, so we put the flour in.
Next one, the sugar, salt.
Right.
And in the Filipino, they love milk.
They love the milk, do they?
Yes.
Okay. Stir it up.
Stir it.
Mix it all nicely.
Okay.
Okay.
So while waiting for the yeast to activate, we'll start with this is melted butter.
So put that in.
For the essence or the aroma. Okay.
Awesome. So I'll use this one first. So we just mix that up. Okay.
It's getting great. We can add it.
We can add that already?
Yes.
Okay, add
While
it
you're
in.
stirring it, we can add this one.
Okay.
Wow.
Wow, that looks fantastic.
See?
Let's stir that all in really well. Really nice soft dough. Really nice.
Before putting it in the surface, we will dust it with a little of flour. Okay, we have it. Yes. Trick in here, if it's sticking in your hands, dump your hands in a little of oil.
Just a little bit of oil.
So just push and pull. Push
and push and pull.
Yeah.
Push and pull. What's the end result?
In Pan De Sal in Filipino is to become fluffy.
Okay, this is really good exercise, don't you think? Look at that.
Yeah.
Oh, amazing.
So this one, it shows that it needs more kneading.
So this one needs more kneading.
Yes.
One eternity later.
So this is done. We're finished kneading it.
We've got the plastic wrap, and what we're going to do is we're going to put that on top of
Yes, we need to cover it. Yes.
Need to cover it.
The reason why we're putting this one is to avoid drying the dough.
So once the size doubles, about 45 minutes.
Yes.
Okay, great.
A little longer than a few minutes later.
So Nhelie, why do you love the Qatar Flour Mills number one all-purpose flour?
Because it has this high protein, it's more than 10, and it's good for baking.
So what else do you make?
I do baking, I do cakes.
Can you invite me to your house?
Yes, of course.
Thank you. Baking together brings people together, right?
Yes, exactly.
Now that we've let the dough rest, we're going to now knead it into rolls.
See, it's so soft.
It's so soft.
Okay, yeah.
Okay, let's make the classic plain one. Yeah.
Yeah, and then the other one, we'll make it with the cheese.
The cheese.
Yeah.
Okay. So just cut that in half.
Yes.
It's like Play-Doh.
Yeah, so it needs to be proportioned from the edge. After that, you roll it in the breadcrumbs.
Okay. You don't even squish it into a ball?
No, no need.
Okay. So there we go. All done. Nhelie, we're going to flavour this with cheese?
Yes.
And what type of cheese do you recommend?
I recommend cheddar cheese because it's a bit sweet.
Okay, and just roll it?
Yeah, you roll it off.
Just roll it.
Yeah.
Oh, and then we squeeze it down.
Yeah. Stretch it out a bit. Okay. And put a slice of cheese.
Okay, so grab a slice of cheese.
Yeah. And then roll it in the breadcrumbs.
Not bad, eh?
Yes.
We need to let our dough rest for another 45 minutes and
Yes.
it will double in size and then we can put it in the oven.
Yes.
Here are the beautiful pan de sal. They're fresh out of the oven, nice and warm, and you can smell that beautiful baked smell, right?
Yes.
And these are great for any time of the day.
Yes.
So let's try our pan de sal. Beautiful, fresh out of the oven. Delicious.
It's good.
Good. Thank you so much, Nhelie, for today and showing me the classic pan de sal from the Philippines.
You're welcome.
Thanks, everyone.